And ladies and gentlemen, once you hear all the evidence, all the testimony, watch the body cam.
I think if you want to be a trial attorney, this is the best place to be. I always wanted to be a trial attorney in criminal realm, and I knew that I was going to get the experience, I was going to get the cases that I wanted to prosecute, because there's no shortage of them here.
Okay, so I always wanted to be Nancy Drew. I loved Nancy Drew and the Hardy Boys. And I wanted to be Nancy Drew, and then one day I realized, no, I don't want to be Nancy Drew because I want to see it through. I want to actually be in the courtroom.
There's no other place where you can get thrown into the courtroom basically on day one and be talking to defendants, be talking to defense attorneys, be talking to the judge.
I think that you will all agree that there were many critical points during this event where he had a choice to make.
I chose to work at MCAO because I wanted the ability to have a direct impact on the work that I was doing. A lot of my friends were taking jobs, where they were going to be doing research for someone else, and it would be years before they personally got to talk to a client.
I just remember immediately being in a courtroom, talking to the judge, learning how to present evidence.
And then by 7:48 p.m., we can see that he is driving west along Broadway.
Attorneys will all go through a multi-week training course that's very structured before they enter justice court. And that includes things about just the mechanics of opening a case, as well as mock trial tips. So that's multiple weeks before you enter our justice courts.
At MCAO in justice court, you are the one who gets to go in front of the judge, you get to argue your case, you get to speak to the victims. So that's so fulfilling as a young lawyer, especially, to be the one doing the job and not just behind the scenes.
We have great supervisors down in the justice court level that really help you to become a better trial attorney. I still use tools at the felony prosecution level that I learned from the great trial attorneys that are supervising you down in justice court.
The defendant, who was shirtless, carrying knives on his hip.
Then after spending time at justice court, getting real practice, trying your own cases, you'll move up to felonies, and we'll put you through another multi-week structured training course before you're assigned to your own felony cases.
What this case turns on are all of those deliberate choices and actions that he took.
I love my job because I get to show up to work every day and try to solve problems. I get to talk to victims, see what we can do to help them, what we can do to resolve the problems that they've faced.
Had the opportunity to work on dozens of homicide cases, and working directly with those families is something that has made a lasting impression on them, but on me as well. And it's been a very meaningful way for me to use my law degree.
Every case that I learned something new, and to me that's cool because I'm not the kind of person that wants to just repeat the same thing over and over again. I like the unexpected, I like the challenge.
That evidence is what will demand one outcome in this case.
Come work here. It's a great place to be. I don't see myself leaving anytime soon, if ever. I love what I do here. MCAO is definitely a wonderful place to work, full of wonderful people. And you will get experience here that you cannot get anywhere else in the country.